Hello everyone, and in this video we will be creating a bouncing cube using the Unity game engine. This will run off its physics engine, which is good enough for us. We'll make a ground piece because if we click on scene or game, we will see infinite void, although the scene is already an infinite void. But would you rather have one bounce or infinite bounces? I guess you would know your answer. So we made the ground. Also make a physics material to make it bouncy. We haven't created the cube, which is going to be bouncing cube, but we'll just create the physics material. Make sure the combinations are minimum, bounciness is 1, and the friction is 0. Then, for ground, we'll just give it that physics material to the box collider, then a 3D cube to 5, 0, 0. And we'll call it a bouncing cube, because after all it is going to be bouncing with the physics material, and then we'll add a rigid body. So now, after this loads up, you should have a bouncing cube. Now you have something to entertain yourself, although it will get old after a few bounces. You could experiment with them. Like, let's have a look at what will happen to this cube. Well, goodbye. But you can do what your wildest imagination takes you. We can make it a sphere, although it will still act like a box because the collision detection uses these colliders, and this is the collision and this is the circle. You could make a sphere collider, but I'm not going to, so I encourage you to explore what you can do with bouncing cubes. You might have like a cube bounce on another thing, which makes another cube bounce. But yeah, make sure you explore, and yeah, goodbye.